It's frustrating when your app won't launch because of the Microsoft-msxml Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and we're going to restore that missing file today. To start fixing Microsoft-msxml Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Microsoft XML Library, a managed .NET Interop wrapper for the Microsoft XML Core Services, MSXML. It provides localized XML data parsing, schema validation, and XPath evaluation routines for applications requiring legacy XML compatibility in a managed environment. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Microsoft XML Core Services .NET build. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ Redistributable installers, and run them. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft MSXML library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Microsoft XML Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Microsoft XML Library and registry optimization. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Microsoft XML Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.